Thinking about diving into foldable phones but don't want to break the bank? Is the Blackview Hero 10 worth your attention, or should you look elsewhere? Stick around as we uncover whether this foldable gem lives up to its promise or falls short. Let's kick things off with what I absolutely love about the Hero 10, the display. Unfolding this phone reveals a stunning 6.9-inch AMOLED panel that's hard to ignore. The colors are deep, the contrast is excellent, and it gets bright enough with a peak brightness of 1300 nits. Whether you're catching up on your favorite series or diving into a high-intensity game, this screen delivers a vibrant and immersive experience. It's definitely one of the standout features of the Hero 10. Now, let's not forget about the outer display. It's a 1.19-inch OLED panel, and while it's small, it's incredibly functional. You can quickly check notifications, control your music, or glance at the weather without unfolding the phone. It's crisp, responsive, and integrates seamlessly into the overall design of the Hero 10. Under the hood, the Hero 10 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset. If you've used this chipset before, you know what to expect: decent performance that handles light to medium gaming and smooth social media scrolling. It's not going to win any speed records, but it gets the job done. And with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, you've got plenty of space to work with. The only catch is that it's limited to 4G connectivity. While 4G is still quite usable, the lack of 5G might become a consideration as networks evolve. Moving on to the software, the Hero 10 runs on Android 13 with Blackview's DocOS 4.0. I've had a chance to use DocOS before, and it's got a quirky, colorful interface that reminds me of my UI from a few years ago. It's fun and vibrant, but it does come with a bit of a learning curve. What's great to see is Blackview's commitment to software updates. They promised 3 years of Android upgrades, which means the Hero 10 will be supported through Android 16. It's not as extensive as Google support, but it's a solid effort for a device at this price. Battery life on the Hero 10 is also quite decent. With its 4000 mAh battery, consistently saw around 5.5 hours of screen on time. And if you need a quick top-up, the 45W wired charging is there to get you up and running in no time. It's not groundbreaking, but for a foldable phone, it's more than adequate. Now, let's talk about the aspects I'm less thrilled about. While the design of the Hero 10 is stylish with its Sakura purple colorway and eco-leather back, the build quality leaves something to be desired. The hinge, in particular, doesn't inspire the same confidence as some of the higher-end foldables. It sometimes feels loose, and you might even hear a squeaky noise when closing it. Plus, the fingerprint sensor along the frame feels a bit flimsy, which can be a bit frustrating. When it comes to cameras, the Hero 10 has a 108MP main shooter and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. The main camera performs well in good lighting conditions, delivering crisp and clear photos with decent color reproduction. However, in low light, images can become soft and lose detail. The ultra-wide lens, on the other hand, struggles a bit with image quality. It's serviceable, but don't expect it to be a highlight of the device. So, should you buy the Blackview Hero 10? Here's the deal. If you're looking for a foldable phone that won't break the bank, the Hero 10 is a compelling option. It offers a gorgeous display, decent performance, and a stylish design. However, it does come with some compromises, especially in terms of durability and camera performance. If you can snag it for around $400 on AliExpress, it's a solid choice for those willing to take a chance on a less established brand. But if you're looking for a foldable phone with a more reliable hinge and better camera performance, you might want to explore other options like the Moto Razr. Ready to explore the Blackview Hero 10 for yourself? Click the link in the description to grab one now and experience this foldable phone firsthand. And if you're curious about more tech reviews, don't miss our next video. Just check the screen right here.